In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download French on Google Translate. So first, open the Google Translate app on your Android phone or your iPhone. When it opens, you should see two language boxes at the top, one on the left for the source language and one on the right for the target language, along with a big text area below where translations usually appear. If you do not see that layout, double check that you really opened the Translate app from Google and not a different translation app. Now, tap the language name at the top. You can tap either the left language or the right language. Both will bring up the same language selection screen. After you tap it, a new panel appears, showing a long list of languages, often with your recent ones near the top, and all other languages in alphabetical order below. At the very top of this panel, you should also see a search bar that says something like Search Languages. From there, search for French. Tap inside the search bar and start typing the word French. As you type, the list below will filter itself, hiding all other languages and leaving only names that match what you typed. A common beginner mistake here is to scroll the full list manually instead of using search, which takes much longer, especially on smaller screens. Once you see French in the results, tap the download icon next to French. The icon looks like a small arrow pointing down. It sits to the right of the word French on the same line. When you tap it, the icon should react right away, and you may see a small prompt or a change in the icon, which means Google Translate is getting ready to save the language file onto your device. Next up, tap Download to confirm. A confirmation window appears in the center of the screen, telling you that French will be downloaded for offline use and often showing the file size in megabytes. This is helpful because it tells you how much storage space the language pack will use. To continue, tap the download button in that window. After you tap it, the window closes and you return to the language list. After that, wait for the download to finish. You will usually see a progress indicator next to French, such as a spinning circle or a filling bar. While that is running, try not to close the app or switch off your internet connection because that can interrupt the download and force it to restart. Once the progress completes, the indicator disappears and you should now see a small check mark or an offline label next to French. At this point, French is now available offline. That means you can select French as either the source or target language and get basic text translations even without internet access. You have just downloaded French for offline use in Google Translate, so if this helped you get ready for travel or study, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple how-to guides like this.